Galileo's famous Leaning Tower experiment, where he showed that a heavy object and a light object fall to the ground at the same time. Aristotle had said that heavy objects fall faster than light objects, and that the rate that they fell was proportional to their weight. So he said that a 10-pound object should fall 10 times faster than a 1-pound object. Well, Galileo proved that that wasn't correct. So I'm going to recreate that. Here I have a hunk of steel. It has a mass of 1 kilogram, which means it has a weight of about 2 1/4 pounds. And here I just have an ordinary tin that just weighs a few ounces. So I'll drop these, and we'll see what happens. So I want to get to a high place. Okay, now I'm going to drop them together and watch what happens. See, they fell to the ground at the same time. The heavy one did not fall faster. Okay. So Galileo proved that heavy objects and light objects fall to the ground at the same time, regardless of how much they weigh. As long as we can neglect the air resistance, then it doesn't matter. So the light object and heavy object fall to the ground at the same time. So now what happens if we do have air resistance? So here I just have a piece of paper. If I drop it, we see it falls slowly and kind of flutters to the ground. That's because the air provides an upward force on the piece of paper. And so we have some air resistance, so then it does fall slower. But what if I can block that air resistance? So here I have a book. I'm just going to set the paper on top of the book. No glue or anything, it's just sitting there. And now I drop them and watch what happens. They fall together. The book blocks the air from hitting the piece of paper, and so removes the air resistance, and they fall together.